The vacancy on the U.S. Supreme Court continues to concern lawmakers on both sides of the aisle for different reasons.
That's right. President Obama's nominee for Supreme Court Justice is making the rounds on Capitol Hill, and that includes meetings with Michigan senators. 24 News 8 political reporter Rick Albin is getting reaction tonight.
Chief Judge Merrick Garland has been talking to lawmakers, including the senior senator from Michigan. Senator Debbie Stabenow joins us now from Washington. Senator, I know you sat down with the judge earlier today. What was your impression?
You know, Rick, I was even more impressed than I thought I would be. We talked first about the role that he played in, on behalf of the Justice Department, of the Oklahoma City bombing, which, as you know, the anniversary is today. And he talked about bringing together all the investigators and law enforcement and everything that was done. And it was very impressive to hear him talk about all of the factors that came together and how moved he was about what happened in Oklahoma City. And then we talked about his 20 years on the bench as a Court of Appeals judge in D.C. and as the chief judge. And I have to say, this is someone who it'd be hard to beat in terms of being qualified.
Senator, in the minute or so that we've got left, I want to ask you about the subject we covered when you were here recently to do the show, the Sunday morning show, To the Point. We talked about the fact that you said Republicans, if they choose, can certainly vote against him, but they at least need to take a vote. Do you think Republicans in the Senate are any closer to having hearings and taking a vote now that the judge is starting to go around and meet some folks?
Well, I'm hopeful they are. I mean, so far they've not scheduled a hearing. In the past, by now, for a Supreme Court justice, there would have already been a hearing, and they would be preparing for a vote of the full Senate. He deserves that. People need to have the opportunity to hear him and what he has to say, who he is in terms of being a possible Supreme Court justice. And if the senators don't support him and want to vote no, that's certainly their prerogative. They can vote no. But I've never, ever seen a situation where someone has not been given a hearing and a vote. And that needs to happen.
Senator, as always, we appreciate your time and thank you for keeping us updated from Washington.